Hi guys, during this class we will be learning about adding camera. We will start to render from a great perspective. Let's talk about perspectives. Users are generally using Full HD and it is possible to see many space on the edge. If it is related to your building, it should be included of course. You can crop the things you do not want to see. Let's create our own frame. This is my building. I want to focus on it. The other buildings should be included to this perspective, of course. Let's take a look at the frames and choose the one which is the suitable for us. When I activate Save Frame from Render Output, we can see gray areas which are located both above and below. These areas will not be rendered. I am choosing the portrait because of vertical frame. Let's close down them and restore them. I mentioned that to learn the right camera positions, you can search and look photographers' website and photos. Let's go back to our work. While we are adding camera, we will use Position Camera tool. I will position my camera behind the trees that I can see two sides of the building. Choose Position Camera tool and press the right spot and drag the mouse and release towards the building. When I release the mouse, my camera will be positioned at the right angle, and I adjust the eye height 300 centimeters. Then I am opening the save frame. This process will make me push back a little. When it pushes me back, amount of zoom will change. It is 56, but I am changing it as 45. You can see a zoom icon on the margin of the mouse. I am looking higher by clicking eye icon. When I select two-point perspective from camera menu, vertical will get better. Pen tool will be automatically activated. You can adjust it by pulling it below. I am going back with middle key. Frame will not be destroyed. I am exercising glass control by including the traffic lights inside it. It seems okay. I don't want to include the green grass area inside my perspective. In order not to lose it, I am adding as a camera via add scene. If you pay attention to them, you can create great architectural camera perspectives. At first, you may have difficulty in understanding, but day by day you will understand that it is easier than you think. As I said before, you can benefit from website of photographers for the suitable perspective before render. Especially you can view searching perspective of Scott Hargis. I hope this class is useful for you. See you next class.